There's a lot of misinformation out there about high lift permanent color. What you need to know about high lift hair color is that it is not a type of bleach lightener. So what is it then? It's a permanent hair color that can lift up to 4 levels while depositing a small amount of tonal color. It also only works with 40 volume developer. So let's go over the scenarios for high lift permanent color and why it's the way to go. On natural dark blondes, this will give you lighter, brighter shades of blonde. On natural medium to light blondes, it will dial up your shade to a brighter pale blonde. You can highlight natural light brown hair for a natural sun-kissed look. For redheads, it will give you a beautiful golden strawberry highlight. On natural dark brown hair, try balayage or ombre to create lighter golden streaks. To create dimensional depths of lightness and warmth on natural brown hair, alternate between high lift permanent color and bleach lightener with foils. Hope this helps narrow down your options when it comes to high lift color use. Next on the agenda is how to maintain that salon quality color.